Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus from the NCERT textbook, pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is the third chapter in this. Already one exercises I have completed. In second exercise also few sums I have completed. Now I will do sixth sum. Even in this sixth sum, one subdivision I have completed. That is, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is parallel lines and coincident lines. So these two I will do in this class. First subdivision is intersecting lines. So a line is given. For this we are asked to write another line such that they form an intersecting lines. So with the help of the condition given, we will be finding another pair of line and I found that intersecting lines over. Now I will do parallel lines. So the condition for the parallel line is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So already one equation it was given already in the question. The another linear equation, one linear equation already it is given in the question, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So another equation for this condition 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the condition given. We have to find another linear equation to satisfy this condition. So I am taking the another line as 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So if I take a line like this, A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 will be equal to 1. That is, this is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1, 3 by 3, that is also equal to 1, and this one will be 2, 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. So I got another linear equation with the given condition such that it will form a parallel line. So this is over. So now we have to do the geometrical representation for the given lines. So for that, first I will take the first line I will put. So the first line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. This is the first line. Okay. So in this 2x is equal to 8 minus 3y. So here I have to take y. Any y values I have to take and substitute it such that I will get the x value. So for that I will take the y value as 0 first. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 0. So x is equal to 8 by 2. My x value will be 4. Okay. Then I will take y is equal to 2. I will take y is equal to 2 such that 2x is equal to 8 minus 3 into 2. So that is equal to 8 minus 6. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 6. X is equal to 2 by 2. So I will get x value as 1. Okay. Then y is equal to minus 2. Okay. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 3 into minus 2. So I will get 8 plus 3 2s are 6. That is equal to 14. So my 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 7. So now I will draw tabular column for the given three values of x and y. So the tabular column is x, y. For my x value as 4, I got x value as 4. For y is equal to 0. Then if y is equal to 2, my x value is 1. If my y value is minus 2, my x value is 7. Okay. Then next one is second. This is for the first line. Then for the second line, it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Okay. So 2x is equal to 4 minus 3y. So the same way y values I am taking. So y is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2. So 2x is equal to 4 minus 3 into 2. So that is equal to 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. So my x is equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to 4 minus 3 into minus 2. So I will get 4 plus 6. 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 5. Okay. So the same thing, a tabular column. I am substituting all these x and y values. X and y values I am substituting it in the tabular column. So x, y values I have taken as 0, 2 and minus 2. I will get the value for x as 2, minus 1 and 5. So these two values. So this is the tabular column for the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Okay, and this is the tabular column for the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So these two things I have to plot it in the graph. So I will draw a graph here and plot these points in the graph. So these points I will plot it in the graph. So first one is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1. Then this one will be y-axis. This is x-axis. So y-axis will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Okay, so now I will plot the first equation. So 4, 0. So 4, 0 point will be this one. So this is 4, 0. Then 1, 2. 1, 2 will be this point. This is 1, 2. Then 7, minus 2. So 7, minus 2 will be few more lines I will draw for the y-axis. Here if I draw, it will be minus 1 and minus 2. So I need 7, minus 2. So 7 in the x-axis, minus 2 in the y-axis. So this one will be 7, minus 2. So now I will join these points. So I got a straight line for this. Straight line for this I got. Okay, then the same way second equation also. 2, 0. So 2, 0 will be this point. So this is 2, 0. Then next one is minus 1, 2. So this is minus 1. Sorry, this is minus 1. Minus 1, 2 will be this point. This point is minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Then 5, minus 2. So 5 here. Then minus 2 down. 5, minus 2 here. This is 5, minus 2. So when I join this, I will get a parallel line for the previous line. So this line is 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, and the second line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So we have represented the given lines with the given condition so that I will get a parallel line for the given condition. Okay. So next sum with the condition coincident line. So what is the condition for the coincident line? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So this is the condition for coincident line. So what is the thing given? What is the question given? 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the question given for the linear equation. So if we take the same line again, it will satisfy the given condition. Okay, that is 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to minus 8y minus 8. So what we will get? 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So we will get the required condition. So the line I'm going to take is the same line. Okay, so that same line I'm going to plot it 2 times on that. So obviously one line will be overlapping with the other one. So the points will be, the solution will be overlapping with the same line. Okay, so this one is, so same way we will do 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 3y. So now I will take y value as 0. So 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 4. So this is the first coordinate points. Then y is equal to 2. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 3 into 2. So 8 minus 6. 2x is equal to 8 minus 6. So x is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, then y is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 3 into minus 2. So 8 plus 6, that is 14. 2x is 14. So x is equal to 7. Okay, so if I am doing this in the tabular column, it will be x, y. My y values 0, 2, minus 2, and my x values will be 4, 1 and 7. Okay, so the same condition is only the next line, so the same thing will be there. So I am going to plot it. So this is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first point is 4, 0. So first point is 4, 0. Second point is 1, 2. So 1, 2. Second point is 1, 2. Third point is 7, minus 2. So 7, minus 2. 7, minus 2. So when I join this, I will get a line, straight line for them. So the other line, since the other line is the same thing, the same coordinate points, if I substitute it here, it will be overlapping one above the other. So we will get a coincident lines. So with this, I am completing today's class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.